Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you active passive. Most of the time, we use active voice while talking to somebody. But when the subject or doer is understood, we use passive voice. When doer is important, those kind of sentences are called active. But when the action becomes important, those sentences are called passive voice. So, why, when, and where passive voice is used? Although it is not used in corporate houses because doer is important there, only those sentences can be turned into passive which have transitive verbs. When we have to give a message to most of the people and when there is no importance of doer, there we use passive voice. Like notices, advertisements, and procedures are written in passive voice. An active sentence has subject, verb, and object. But when we change it into passive, object is taken to subject's place and subject is taken to object's place. Another thing that is very important is we have to use only and only third form of verb, that is past participle, along with be form of verb. But all the 12 tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. Future continuous and present, past, and future perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed into passive. Let's start with simple present tense. Simple present tense, children, you know, as I have taught in the tenses video, subject plus first form of verb and object. S or es is added according to the number of subject. So its passive will be made by bringing the object to subject's place. Be form is or am will be used with third form of verb, that is past participle, and the subject will become a by agent. Let's see the examples. First example, children play cricket. Children subject, play verb, and cricket object. Object cricket will be brought to subject's place. Cricket is singular, therefore we'll be using is. Third form of verb play, that is played, and by agent, children will become by agent. So cricket is played by children. Second example, I write a story. You can see subject is I, write is verb, and a story is object. So it will become a story is written by me. Example third, boys fly kites. Boys subject, fly verb, kites is the object. And kites, because it is plural, so we'll be using are. Kites are flown by boys. Fourth example is police catches the thief. Thief is caught by police. You can see subject has become object and object has become subject. Let's see simple past tense. Children, you know the structure: subject, second form of verb, and object. As per rules, passive will be made subject, was, were, third form of verb, and by subject, that will become the agent. By agent. Example first. They bought a book. You can see the subject is they, verb is second form of by, that is bought, object is a book, and it will become a book was bought by them. Second example, I ate an apple. An apple was eaten by me. Third example, she made sandwiches. Sandwiches is plural, children. See, sandwiches were made by her. We are not saying sandwiches was. Sandwiches, because it is plural, so we'll be using were. Fourth example is you fired the peon. The peon was fired by you. Let's see how we change active sentences into passive in the simple future tense. As per structure, subject, will, shall, first form of verb, and object. Its passive will be made by exchanging the subject to object and object to subject. Will, shall will be there, and be form will be added, be, and third form of verb. First example is Meena will paint a picture. A picture will be painted by Meena. Second example, all will laugh at her. Her is objective case of personal pronoun. It will change into subjective case, that is she. She will be laughed at by all. Third example, you will agree to my proposal. You can see subject, verb, object have been divided. My proposal will be agreed to by you. Fourth example, we shall visit you. You will be visited by us. Now we'll talk about present continuous tense, in which structure is subject is rm, first form of verb with ing and object. And object will change into subject. Is rm will be used along with be form being, and third form of verb with by subject, which will become by agent. First example is he is doing an important work. An important work is being done by him. Second example is they are telling a new story. You can see the subject, verb, object, how they have been divided. A new story is being told by them. Third example is the doctor is operating the patient. The patient is being operated by the doctor. Children, you have to remember, wherever you find ing form of verbs, you will be using being. B-E-I-N-G, being will be used in all the continuous tenses. Let's see past continuous tense. You know the structure, that is subject, was, were, first form of verb with ing and object. As per rules, object will be brought to subject's place, was, were will be there, being will be used as I told you in the previous continuous tense, third form of verb plus by subject. First example is they were donating blankets to the poor. You can see the division of sentence, subject, verb, object. Blankets were being donated to the poor by them. Second example is the police was catching the thief. The thief was being caught by the police. And future continuous tense, children, no passive is made in this tense. Let's see present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense is subject, has, have, third form of verb and object. It will be changed into passive by using subject, has, have, been, third form of verb and by subject. First example, we have visited you last week. You have been visited by us last week. Second example is they have painted the doors grey. The doors have been painted grey by them. She has completed her task. Her task has been completed by her. Now past perfect tense. There is only difference between present and past perfect tense is the use of had. Subject, had, third form of verb and object. And again, the rule of turning it into passive voice is subject, had been, third form of verb plus by agent. First example is thieves had stolen all the valuables. Its passive will be all the valuables had been stolen by thieves. Second example is the singer had sung a song. A song had been sung by the singer. Third example is Seema had helped us. We had been helped by Seema. Now the last tense, future perfect tense. As the structure goes by subject, will, shall, have and third form of verb plus object. Its passive will be subject, will have, shall have, been, third form of verb and by agent. First example is Anuradha will have washed the clothes. Passive will become the clothes will have been washed by Anuradha. Second example is the postman will have delivered the letters. The letters will have been delivered by the postman. Third is they will have closed the office by 5 p.m. The office will have been closed by them by 5 p.m. Children, you may be thinking how to change the imperative sentences, because I have not taken any imperative sentences in the tenses. So let's see some imperative sentences how to change. First example is shut the door. The door should be shut or let the door be shut. Second example is don't move. You are not allowed to move. Third is clear all the dues by 15th September. All the dues should be cleared by 15th September. Fourth is do not neglect anyone. Let no one be neglected. Help the poor. Let the poor be helped. Now you must have seen with all these verbs we are using be form of verb everywhere in the passive. I'm sure you have understood how to change all kinds of sentences into passive. If so, एक like तो बनता है. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.